Hey guys, today I'll show you what to do if your ASUS A15 is randomly freezing or crashing. First thing that you can do is in your keyboard, just press Win Control Shift B and you will see that your laptop will randomly beep and kind of like flicker. This means that your graphics card has been restarted. Don't worry guys, any ongoing apps or games will not be closed while using this shortcut. Next thing that you can do is you can go to your command prompt and run as administrator. Once you're here, what you need to type is sfc /scan now. This will scan your laptop for corrupted files and repair it. This may take some time, so just be patient. And once you're done, go ahead and try to restart your laptop and see if it is working. Thank you guys. Hope this helps.